talking. I want to make some nice to Councillor Julia Chang. Welcome her to the meeting, comrades. Big up yourself, Comrade Chang. And comrades, we're moving right along. I want to tell you something. We have a vice president in the People's National Party. When I mince him words when him attack, and when him come hard and strong at them. Them can't hold him, them can't cool him. I want to welcome to the microphone our next member of parliament for Western Westmoreland, Comrade Vice President Ian Hayles. Will make some nice team, comrades.
Comrade MP candidates, Comrade General Secretary, Comrade Vaz, Comrade Councillors, Comrade Treasurer, Comrade President of the YO, Comrades one and all, good evening. Good evening. It was in the 70s that the youths of this country stood up and decided to walk with the People's National Party. I'm going to keep the thing local tonight. I don't want you to blow the bugazella when you're hearing me now. I just want you to listen to me for 2 minutes. Because tonight is not about me, but it's about the future of the young people in Westmoreland. Now, the largest investment that this government has made for 9 years in Westmoreland is to build us 3 jailhouses. That's the largest. And it's sad to say that the 3 jailhouses, the one in Little London, the one in Frome, and the one in Landila where the cultural center was, is mostly young people going to be locked up there. They didn't build your community center for training. They didn't take some of the money come put down at the hospital here for expand it so you can go look for your family there, or when you're sick you can't go deal with your business. They didn't do any of that. So I want to say to every young people in Westmoreland tonight, if you need proof, any more proof that you should forget about the Labour Party and stick your wagon with the People's National Party, you don't need no more proof than what you see is currently going on as we speak. So they open Frome and they're going to open Little London pretty soon. And you see how big Savlamar, the one down at Landila, look, right? You see how it's pretty, right? Could you imagine if those billions of dollars were spent to improve the lives of the young people of Westmoreland? But I want to say to you, I want to say to you, it is this party that said, under my General Secretary and the leader of the party, Mark Jefferson Golden, that we're going to take the firstborn out of every family and give you a college education, university education, free of cost to you. We're not going to build no more prison for lock you up. We don't need no more of that. And I will say to you again, I know nothing on go on. And a lot of you get up every day and don't have no work for go. And a lot of you here from Westmoreland who go to university no come back because nothing is here for you to come back. But I can say to you, under my leadership, Comrade Vaz and Comrade Dayton Campbell, you're going to have a new Westmoreland that you can look forward to come back and work in this parish. So I will leave you with hope in the future, because it was that hope in the 70s that we had in this party that this could be the movement for change. And I will end tonight by saying, get ready, because we're going to revolutionize and we're going to change the parish of Westmoreland. Because so I want to say to every youth, and I go and tell it to my party leader, to everywhere that they build a police station or a jailhouse in Westmoreland, make we put a community training center right beside it when time comes. So comrades, one love, and I thank each and every one of you.
There was good and evil, and chose good.
Comrades!
For the Most High.
Thank you, Comrade VP. And that is just some of the plans what the PNP start to put on the table already for showing us that we're serious about transformation and we're serious about young people in Jamaica, unlike them others. Comrades, at this time, I want to welcome one of the greatest general secretaries of our time in the People's National Party, poor people defender, Miss Lucky One Boy, our general, our champion for poor people, Dr. Dayton, Campbell, next number.
Comrade Chair, Comrade Chairs, greetings. All the members on the platform, members in the audience, greetings. Before I get into my presentation, I just want to invite some persons here with me. Come Danishka, come Gabby, come Peter Gay, come Shamil. Where's Renee? Renee, come. I hear some people say that the PNP don't have young people in it. And I want to show them tonight that that is a lie from the bottom of the pit of hell. We have young people at the constituency level. We have young people in the leadership of the Patriots. We have young people in the leadership of the YO at the position of Vice President, General Secretary, and President. So look at this shot. People over in Greenhouse that on the live watching, stop tell lie to the people of Jamaica. There are young people within the People's National Party. And these young ladies will not be beaten by anybody with any stool. These young ladies will get opportunities to be independent young women. Thank you, ladies. You know, comrades, we got up and we said we wanted just to test to see where we are. We wanted just a check to see where we are. And we look good. Because this is just the beginning. This is not the end. They are going to see many more youth rallies before the election come. And the Prime Minister, because young people now follow back on the green clerks again. Young people are follow back on who are going to give them house, who are going to give them education, who are going to give them jobs. The young people want real opportunities. Politics is still the best vehicle to transform a country and a people. Regardless of what they say, politics is still the best vehicle to transform a country and a people. I grew up in humble circumstances. I grew up in circumstances that people would conclude that I would not make it and become anything in life. When I was growing up, my mother was a domestic helper. She used to go around and wash some people's clothes to get her money to send me and my sister them go to school. And before labor rights start them arguments, she does not do that anymore because her boy busting her life now. My father tried to traffic some marijuana and them lock him up and send him to prison for years. And so when we were growing up, it was difficult. But I am here today because of the programs and the policies of the People's National Party. They want to criticize at times the 18 years, consecutive years that the PNP was in power. It is during those 18 years that I went to primary school, high school, university, and became a doctor at 24 years of age under the People's National Party. When you now have 70% of children in a particular school that can't read, I want you to understand that the children that are 10, 11, 12, and 13, they started school at age 3. So all of those children started going to school and their entire life as a student has been under this government. It is this government that has failed the children of Pembroke Hall High School. So when we say time come, and they say time come for what? Time come for a better quality of life for our people. Time come for young people stop work and I wonder what them a work for cause them not see it. Time come for cut out that so when you put in your work and go out there and toil, you can see the returns from your labor. Time come now for young people to understand that in order to make it, they don't have to migrate and go to a different country because we are going to set this country right so you can live here, work here, do business here, and prosper right here. Time come now for young people with them 10 and 12 and 11 and 13 subject for them to stop working at people wholesale and go university with a full scholarship from the People's National Party. Time come now for young people to stop catch up in a yard with mama, papa and granny and own them one a house and turn them one a key. Time come now for housing for young people. Time come now for young people to make money, and we have a party leader that has made millions of US dollars. Him not come here so to scrape nothing cause him have him own money, and he can teach you how to make some money, and he can teach you how to become a better version of yourself. We don't want no politician who are come encourage our young people to stick with no evil. We no want no politician who come tell our young people to stick with no evil. Because we are God-fearing people, and scripture tells us to shun the very appearance of evil. So we are going to shun the Labour Party and we are going to vote for the People's National Party because time come now for a better quality of life. One love. Have a good evening.
Let the trumpets play.
Come the bad covers, make some noise! Make some noise, covers! Make some noise, covers! Wave your flag! flag. Wave your flag, man. Wave your flag, yard. Yeah. Time come now, Jamaica. Yes, sir. Well on, selector. I wonder if the young people were listening just now. Where time come for. They might tell we if we choose Jamaica and they can't tell me why. But we are telling them tonight why time come. You know with me? So comrades, we hear them make a lot of talk. And said, we don't see no young people around here. And no young people now follow the People's National Party. But one thing we know for sure. Say youth, say Marky G. And youth, say the People's National Party. So if them are worried themselves, tell them don't worry about we. Stand up on the foot, man. Tell them don't worry about we. The youth, say Marky G.
Can't stop, he not worry about them. Come in the little boy, me granny said he love.
We not worry about them. Shoot some architecture.
First girl when I was around 10. Make you tell me about Karen, nobody tell me.
Well, selector, I hear them make a talk too. I wonder if the PNP is afraid of the JLP. But we tell them say anytime, anywhere. We ready for the rematch. Cause we not frightened for no boy, no girl, no way. Selector lift up.
We no frightened so easy.
All of the Gaza fans, make some noise. All of the Vibes Cartel fans, make some noise. Make some noise to the teacher. What I am say? Who say? Our comrades. Blood and fire comrades. We no afraid of nobody. Tell them comrades. Hold it, selector, hold it.
And if them don't believe, say I come, we are come, and we don't want no moderation. Say like how them never believe, say the world boss could have free. You see when them fly the gate, we go and give them a proper whipping. Select a lift up.
Say yourself, Lexus. Do this.
How are the vibes got? Listen to me now, man. Young people, put up this to me now, man. Youth say PNP. Youth say Marky G. We are saying a signal tonight. Voila! And when they talk about youth, no say PNP. We are teaching them a lesson tonight. Alright, season second a little bit. We're going to move into the next speaker. I want to love the excitement though. We're going to move into the next speaker. One of the vice president. Hold on. At the right time, you know me and hype up the place, you know. Because the next prime minister is coming in, you know. The next prime minister is here. The integrity boss is here. Comrades, be upstanding.
Comrades, stand up for the next Prime Minister of Jamaica. A man of integrity, a man of class. The man we are going to kick down corruption door. The man we are going to send back JP. And the only time that will know is a prison term. Because no third term, no Lord. Under the leadership of our integrity boss. Our next Prime Minister of Jamaica. A man of clean hands, pure heart. A man of pure intellect. Comrades, make him welcome to the stage. Western Jamaica, stand up for the president of the People's National Party, the leader of the opposition, our prime minister in waiting. Comrades, PNP is coming. Blood and fire, comrades. We are here in Western Jamaica. We are going to whip them. Them can run, but them can't hide. Because Mark Jefferson Golden will kick down the door of corruption and bring into Jamaica a new day, a vision of hope, transparency, integrity. Make him welcome, comrade leader, the next prime minister, Mark Jefferson Golden, comrades of Western Jamaica. Make some noise for our next prime minister.
Every Jamaican, put your hands up so. Time from that we know on the man said go golden, you're ready for the road. Hey, golden, you're ready for the road. go with golden, go with golden, going golden, we going with golden, going golden, going golden, we ready for the road and we moving with golden, go with golden, go with golden, the one more golden, we got golden, going with golden, go with golden, go with, hey, golden, golden,
Comrades on the
golden,
second down,
golden,
second down,
golden,
West Side
golden.
Jamaica,
Everybody say
on the
the name.
second down, second down, second down.
Golden, golden, golden.
All right, comrades,
Everybody say the name.
comrades, comrades. Unlike how the next Prime Minister of Jamaica, hold on the comrades, as our comrade leader walk in, our very own Queen of the South, the next Member of Parliament for South St. James, Comrade Nikisha Merchant just walk in. Make some noise for our comrades. Our Deputy General Secretary, our shadow spokesperson on information. Yes, comrades, on the PNP woman, them look good. Look on the platform. We're nice, we're bright, and we're ready for transform Jamaica. But comrades, hold it down there for me, Mr. DJ. Because we are going to the next segment. And I want to put it out there. I want to show them, I tell them, say, PNP and JLP are not the same. We not like them. And we have a Prime Minister in waiting in Mark Jefferson Golden, who is coming to transform Jamaica. I tell you no, we never hear the young people over young Jamaica or G2K. I talk about when young women are dead in a Jamaica. We never hear them when the little girl dead. We never hear them when young men are dead left, right and center. We don't hear them talk on no policy platform. But comrades, I want to show you. Yes, something is coming. A new day is dawning for young people. But I'm leaving it for the president them talk about. Because our Prime Minister in waiting don't just believe of young people and get themselves in a mix-up. But he believes that we have substance. And he has asked us to help to form the policies that will transform the lives of young people. And the president of the Patriots and the YO will talk about that some more. We're full of vibes, we're full of substance, and we're full of intellect on this side. Now, comrades, I want to welcome to the microphone